Alright, got a little more done today. There's now a microphone input with a common emitter preamp using the 2N3904 transistor. I got a bag of 100 of them on eBay for $1. And that's feeding both channels. Well, it's feeding one channel of the ADC for the VU meter, and then it's feeding the MSG EQ7 for the spectrum analysis. So it's multiplexed and peak detected in the EQ7, and then that signal goes over to the ADC. So both channels on the ADC are used. One is for the spectrum analyzer mode, and the other is for a simple VU meter mode. So let's turn it on here. Just have a little it turned on in the wrong mode. This is spectrum analyzer mode. I guess I didn't upload the program, so I'm uploading it now. So when it first turns on, it should just go through this turn on sequence. It didn't do that because I had test code loaded to it. So we're back in spectrum analyzer mode, and you can see that green one needs a little bit of work. It might be that the air conditioning just kicked on and the air is blowing on me or something. I'm not really sure. But anyway, that's pretty much how it works. It does the same thing with music. And then it just switched into VU meter mode. So with VU meter mode, as you talk or as it listens to music, as the music gets louder, the more LEDs light up. And then there's going to be a mode of a mix of the two things where we're doing the spectrum analyzer mode, and we're also using the spectrum analyzer as a VU meter. So the deeper, lower bass sounds will show up down here, and the more treble stuff will show up here. And the loudness of each one will go across like this. So there's 4 LEDs in each one of these pockets. So as each one gets louder, it will go across. So it's basically a combination of the two. Well, I mean, technically a spectrum analyzer is a VU meter. It's just centered on one frequency. So you see here in spectrum analyzer mode, I have the whole thing coming on when it detects a peak above the background noise of the room. So what I would do is I would add a couple more steps, so the loudness would show up as lights that light up across this way. So you've got the spectrum going up and down, and then you've got the VU part going left and right. So that's pretty much it for now.